Welcome to our countdown of the 10 most dangerous natural disasters. These events, as we'll see, have caused immense destruction and loss of life throughout history. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the highest mountains, the forces of nature are a spectacle of awe-inspiring power and at times terrifying destruction. Over the next few minutes, we'll journey across the globe to witness the sheer might of earthquakes and tsunamis, hurricanes and tornadoes. We will delve into the heart of explosive volcanic eruptions and the devastating aftermath of floods and wildfires. Join me, if you will, as we explore the science behind these natural disasters, understand their devastating impacts, and learn how we can better prepare for the awesome power of the natural world. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth's tectonic plates are in constant motion, grinding against each other, building up immense pressure over millennia. It is when this pressure is suddenly released that the ground beneath us trembles with terrifying force. Earthquakes are a stark reminder of the immense power that lies at our planet's core. Their effects can be devastating, toppling buildings, fracturing landscapes, and leaving communities in ruins. Triggered by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or underwater landslides, a tsunami begins far out at sea, often undetectable as it races across the ocean. But as this immense wall of water approaches the shore, the decreasing depth of the seabed forces it upwards, growing in height, until it crashes onto the land with unimaginable force. The sheer power of a tsunami can inundate entire coastlines, leaving behind a trail of devastation. Homes and businesses are reduced to rubble, and lives are tragically lost in the deluge. Born over warm ocean waters, hurricanes are vast, swirling storms, some hundreds of miles across, with winds that can reach incredible speeds. Fueled by the heat of the ocean, these powerful storms gather strength as they travel, often targeting coastlines with their destructive power. The impact of a hurricane is immense. Torrential rainfall brings widespread flooding, while powerful winds tear at structures, uproot trees, and hurl debris with deadly force. Chapter 4: Tornadoes, Twisters of Destruction. A tornado is a violently rotating column of air, a vortex of immense power that descends from storm clouds to the ground. These terrifying funnels of wind, often appearing with little warning, can pack winds exceeding 200 miles per hour, tearing through the landscape with devastating force. The path of a tornado, though often narrow and short-lived, leaves a trail of destruction in its wake. Homes and buildings are ripped from their foundations, trees are uprooted like twigs, and vehicles are tossed about like toys. Chapter 5: Volcanic Eruptions, From Ash to Ashes. Hidden deep within the earth lie immense forces capable of unleashing fiery molten rock, ash, and gases into the atmosphere. Volcanoes, these geological giants, serve as a reminder of our planet's fiery heart. When a volcano erupts, the immediate impact on the surrounding areas can be devastating. Flows of molten lava incinerate everything in their path, while thick clouds of ash blanket the landscape, suffocating vegetation and polluting the air we breathe. Chapter 6: Floods, the Relentless Rise. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, can also become a destructive force. Floods, often caused by heavy rainfall, overflowing rivers, or coastal storm surges, can inundate vast areas, transforming landscapes into lakes. The impact of flooding is widespread and devastating. Homes and businesses are submerged, crops are destroyed, and transportation systems grind to a halt. The loss of life, sadly, can be significant. Chapter 7: Wildfires, Inferno in the Outback. Fueled by dry conditions, wind, and an abundance of flammable vegetation, wildfires can rage across vast areas of land with terrifying speed and ferocity. These infernos consume everything in their path, leaving behind a trail of destruction. Wildfires are a natural part of many ecosystems, but human activities such as deforestation and climate change are increasing their frequency and intensity. The loss of life, both human and animal, can be catastrophic. Chapter 8: Droughts, a Silent Scourge. While other natural disasters bring an excess of water, droughts are a slow, creeping disaster, characterized by a prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall. This lack of precipitation can have devastating impacts on agriculture, water resources, and ecosystems. The effects of drought are often subtle at first, but they gradually intensify, leading to crop failures, water shortages, and economic hardship. In extreme cases, drought can lead to famine and mass displacement of people. Chapter 9. Landslides when the earth gives way. Landslides, the sudden and rapid movement of rock, earth, or debris down a slope, are often triggered by heavy rainfall, earthquakes, or volcanic activity. These events can reshape landscapes in an instant, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The force of a landslide can be immense, burying homes, roads, and entire communities under tons of earth and debris. The impact on human life and infrastructure can be devastating. Chapter 10. Avalanches, walls of snow. High in the mountains, where snow and ice accumulate over time, the threat of avalanches is ever present. These sudden releases of snow, often triggered by a combination of weather conditions and human activity, can cascade down slopes with terrifying speed and force. The power of an avalanche can bury skiers, hikers, and even entire villages under tons of snow, making rescue efforts difficult and dangerous. The impact on human life can be catastrophic. Outrow, respecting the power of nature. As we've witnessed, natural disasters are a stark reminder of the immense power of the natural world. From earthquakes and tsunamis to hurricanes and wildfires, these events have shaped our planet and impacted human history for millennia. While we cannot control the forces of nature, we can learn to understand them, respect their power, and take steps to mitigate their impact. By studying these events, developing early warning systems, and building resilient infrastructure, we can better protect ourselves and future generations. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay informed about the natural world around you.